If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. You can select the Blur tool, which is in the same spot as the Smudge tool in the toolbox, to soften hard edges or reduce fine detail in an image. Contrary to that, the Sharpen tool increases edge clarity and detail visibility in an image. To use these tools, select the one that you want to use from the toolbox and tool options bar. Then set the brush options in the tool options bar. You can select the blending mode, brush, size, and strength from the drop-downs and sliders available. You can check the Sample All Layers checkbox to blur or sharpen the pixel data using the combined data from all layers. Otherwise, it will only use data from the currently selected layer. After setting your options, then click and drag over the area in the image you want to blur or sharpen. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.